chain to the mirror of a razor blade. Do you guys like this? You can't even see it, it's not even on camera, but I basically made, it's my friend's birthday at the weekend and I'm going through to Leicester because we're like all going out.
Hey, Frank, here's another idea.
Oh, where'd you come from?
I've been walking next to you the entire time.
I'm sorry, I'm a little lit.
And I crocheted this for it, but now I kind of hate it, so probably not going to be wearing this, so I thought I'd wear it for this video, but it's just a little mesh crop thing, it didn't take that long. What else? Oh my gosh, look at my dinner. This is a ready meal chow mein, and I've like yassified it. Oh, it's really hot, why is it so hot? Look how yummy it looks. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. Now, in today's video, listen, I started a scrap jumper months and months and months ago. I did it as part of a series on this channel and I literally almost have it done. I just have one sleeve left and I'm looking at it and I absolutely hate it. I don't like it and I won't be wearing it. So guess what I'm gonna do, guys?
Don't you dare say it.
If you guessed start again for the third time, you would be correct, but I won't be making it into a jumper. I think what I'm going to do is make a scarf, because basically after I started making this mesh top, I don't know, I just wanted to challenge myself. I was sick of doing the same things, so I don't know if I mentioned this in another video, but Ava P is one of my favourite YouTubers for crochet, and just as a person in general, I just really love how creative she is and just her fashion and just her aesthetic choice. I don't know, I'm completely and utterly in love with her. She basically made a scarf hood, a scood. I can never remember what she called it, but I loved the pattern. I loved the colours that she chose as well. Her colour palette as well is just really unique, and gosh, that was really hard breathing then. And her colour palette and just mind is so creative. Yeah, so I basically wanted to make one myself, but I couldn't find a pattern. As far as I'm aware, she doesn't have a pattern, and it's 2 granny squares and then a granny square stitch for the scarf, and then on one of the designs she did a scalloped edge, so that's what I wanted to do. But as we know, I don't have that much yarn and I don't really plan on getting any more yarn anytime soon really. Plus I basically want to use my yarn that I have already. And considering it'd take a lot of yarn, I didn't have that many colours to work with, but the ones that I've chosen, I think, yes. So I made it, and it was so fun and so exciting, and I loved the granny stitch that she did. So basically it's a regular traditional granny square, but she did a row of like single crochets in between each row, and I love it. I love it. It was like she did like a cream and I did a cream, but then I ran out of cream, so I had to do white in some parts, so it's a little bit odd, but I love it. I've not tried it on yet, like fully, like with my hair and makeup and things like that. I've tried it on in between, and yeah, I'm very excited. I haven't steamed it yet either, so oh my god, I'm so proud of it. So this is her. Oh my, I'm so proud of it. This is her. She's like a little mixture green that I got. This yarn was like 50p from the charity shops. I got like 2 balls of 50 grams, so 100 grams, and then I used black and then like a cream, but as you can see on the hood I had to put white scallops because I ran out of cream, because I've scalloped all this as well, and I've tucked in all the edges. I've done all the edges and look, I basically have it so it focuses here, and then when I go here it like makes my face really like, do you know what I mean? Anyway, so this is her. I've not tried her on yet. I'm so excited. I hope that she fits. So I'm gonna do that now. When you're chained to the mirror of a razor blade. This is it. This is her. This is she. Ah! I love it. I love it. I want to make about 1,000 more. It's so fun to make. And like the thing is, what she wears it with is like a big trench coat. Look, having it open like that. Oh my god, I love it. Having it open like But me wearing this with like my brown leather jacket, I think it'd just look so cute and so snuggly, and it's just gonna be so warm. And I wish I had found this or thought of this whilst it was winter so I could make the most of it, but also I live in the UK, so spring is also really cold, so yeah. But my point in this is this stitch, the granny stitch that I used for the scarf, is what I want to use for this scrap yarn scarf. Because also the thought of having like a really basic coloured outfit, like a brown outfit, and then a really multicoloured scarf, amazing, very Weasley core. So I basically want to do that, but instead of doing it long ways, I want to do it like row by row, so you get more of like turning, it's more colourful that way. I feel like it'll look more colourful that way. So yeah, I'm not sure how long this video is going to take for me to record, because I've basically got to take apart the entire jumper and make it into one big scrap yarn ball again. I'm going to show you what the scrap yarn jumper looks like now, because you've not seen it since I last updated you on it and it didn't have the sleeve on. I'm just a lot better at crochet now, so although it is fun to see how much better I am now and the progress since I first started, I also wanted it to look right, and my next scrap yarn jumper that I'm going to make, I'm going to try and save bigger bits of scrap yarn, because I have like smaller bits of scrap yarn and bigger bits, and the bigger bits I want to make into a proper mesh jumper like this, and it have loads of different stitches. I just don't like the one stitch look, I've decided, unless it's like a tapestry jumper. I just don't like it, and I don't like doing it because it's just so repetitive. I've said this before, I like patterns where it's alternating stitches because it makes me feel like I'm doing something new, so then I don't get bored whilst doing it. Yeah, although this was very frustrating to figure out at first, like the stitches, because like I said, she didn't have a pattern. Although it was very frustrating at first, once I'd got the hang of it, it was super easy and super fun. So yeah, I'm going to show you the jumper now. Also, I like dropped stitches and added extra stitches. I just wasn't, towards the end I just didn't care about it, so I wasn't bothered about how it looked, but yeah, I'll show you it now, one sec. Okay, first of all, ignore the aloe vera plant. She's massive. So this is the scrap yarn jumper. I don't know, I've just really gone off the idea, and like when I say messy scrap yarn, I mean like messy scrap yarn. Like, do you know when I originally started I was like, oh, I want it to be like really chaotic and really messy. Like, yeah, I love that, I still love that look, but also I like chaotic and messy with nice yarns. Like, these are a mixture of like yarns that I really didn't like and also did like. It's literally all my scrap yarn. She is cool, like I think she's cool, but I just won't ever get anywhere out of her, and I feel like turning this into a scarf would be so much less of a waste. I don't know, like it seems a shame to tear it all apart, but I've documented it, I can see it, it's like, I just wouldn't wear it. I just wouldn't wear it. I just know for a fact I wouldn't wear it, so I may as well put it to good use and make a multicoloured jumper, a multicoloured scarf out of it. So yeah, this is what this video is going to be. The next time you see me, I'm going to be unravelling all of my hard work. I'm going to be unravelling all of my hard work. But yeah, if that is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. But without further ado, my darlings, let's get into it. Baby, I can eat my chow mein now. For the audio, but this is all the balls of yarn that I collected from the jumper, including these ones and then a little few scrappy pieces. So now what I'm going to do is just count how many stitches along the width of my little scarf hood thing is, and I want it to be a little bit thinner, so I think I might do it this big in width, like the width be this big, and and then it's going to be a lot longer. I want it to be really long, like down to my knees. And then I might also scallop the edges, so I'm going to do it about this big, I think. And then I'm going to start this way. I'm going to start with a chain and then single crochet along, and then I'm going to do 2 double crochets, skip 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, and so on and so forth. And then do a row of single crochets like these ones, and then I'll do my row of triple crochets. So it's basically this pattern but turned this way. I'm going to start with this ball. I'm going to start with the pink, chain in the pink, go into that, and then I'm going to do this ball. This ball has a colour pattern, I think, like in the middle, where it's like orange, green, blue, purple and brown, and it's like Scooby-Doo characters. So I wanted to do this somewhere near the middle so that you'd be able to see it, because it's like, I mean, it's super cute. It's Scooby-Doo. Of course it's cute. Yeah, about this width, I'd say. I want the scarf, not this. So I'd take away these extra rows and do it to around there. And then I'll move on to this one, and then I'll just pick those out at random. I don't want it to be too uniform. I don't want it to be too calculated, but I want it to be cute still. So yeah, I'm going to get on with that, and then I will show you once I've made a little bit of progress. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it is... That's not mine, that's not mine. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm not gonna lie, it is literally Tuesday of the next week. I haven't filmed anything, and I am now on my way back home. It was an eventful night at my friend's birthday party. Well, my friend's birthday gathering, let's just say. And I haven't filmed anything at all. I bought new yarn though, which I'll show you when I'm home, maybe, or I'll show you in the next video, we'll see. But I've done nothing more to the scarf, and I look quite shit. But yeah, that's my little update for now. I don't think I'll be doing anything on the train either, because I have one extra bag than what I am left with, so I literally can't move. So, pigeon. But yeah, hopefully I'll have an outro. If not, this will be the outro. That's it from me, like my lovely dumplings, and I will see you in the next one, which will be a lot better than this one, hopefully. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.